Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy. I am a professional face and body painter. I'm also a certified coach. I live in Hawaii. What is today's video? Well, today's video has two parts. First part is where I'm going to be showing you how to just paint a regular skull on your face. So if you're going out as a skull, a skeleton for Halloween or some event, then you're gonna really like this video. The second part of this video is where I take the skull design and I turn it into a cat skull. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm hosting a creativity challenge and I'm painting cats for the entire month of October. I've done Frankenstein cat, I've done Elphaba cat, I've done pumpkin cat, I've done a zombie cat. So we'll jump into that right now. To put a shirt on that went all the way up to my neck because I really don't want to paint my neck today. Just putting in some shading here with powdered makeup. So it's kind of like eyeshadow, I guess you could say. Turn this skull actually into a skull cat. that wraps up the video for today. Thank you so much for being here and being a subscriber. I am so grateful. Please leave a comment. I love hearing from you. If you do try this design on your face, I would love to see it. So send me a picture either to email or on Instagram. I post daily on Instagram, like in my stories, if you want to see like behind the scenes of what I'm up to. If you haven't seen them already, there are a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I'm pumping these out as much as I can, especially in the month of October, where I am literally painting a different cat design on my face every single day except for weekends. If you are actually in the Oahu, Hawaii area, then please come and join a paint and sip class with me. I would love to have you. It's a 2 to 2.5 hour class depending on the painting, and I supply all of the supplies. You just sit down and we paint a painting together. It's super fun, and tickets sell out every single class. So there are links to all of those things, the coaching, the paint and sips. There's so much on my website. So just go browse around my website if you're interested. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for being here, and go out and paint the world with your color, your light, and your love. And I will do the same. Bye.